G0NE. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessed viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, man. Enough love, enough respect. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So now, people, I have a really sad thing to talk about, and it's about the passing of this Jamaican, this young man who is just 16 years old, Cornel Grant. And earlier this year, people, in January, I did saw a video, I did even saw a post, several different posts about this young man returning back to school after a 2 years absence, pertaining to an illness that he is going through, and it's a cancer, like a tumor inside the brain, and they were saying it's a rare type of cancer. Well, people, at the time of his return after a 2-year absence from school, they did stated that this young man has beat cancer, and so he was fit to go back to school. And he get a lot of tremendous support from both the high-bodied in the school and from the students as well, because coming together, people, with the guidance counselor, principals, and everybody from that school, which is high school he attend, which is Calabar High School in Kingston, people, they managed to raise over $200,000 in support of this young man illness. You understand, people? And he did beat it. But the sad news is what come to NEWLINK attention, and is what went out there, people. It's about the passing of this young man on Saturday in the afternoon. And it's really sad, viewers and subscribers. And the news that reached the NEWLINK is that he passed away on Saturday, October the 10th. As I tell you, sometime in the afternoon, people, pertaining to the illness. So basically they beat it and it find its way and come back, which a lot of time we see people do beat cancer, people. They do get rid of it and it do fight its way back inside the body. And so it's just really sad. And I have seen tremendous support for this young man, people. A lot of love showcasing, a lot of people mourning the loss of this young man. A lot of people saying he's a hero, he's a true fighter, and he believed in himself and things, people. And watching even some clips of when this young man did return to school, people, and to see the reactions from the teachers, from the student, everybody, it was just tremendous. It was just so awesome, people. And to know that he has gone now, it's just sad. And to know the sad part about it, people, it's where there's a pandemic going on, right? And he did return to school in January. And remember, in late March, school was suspended, right? So basically, he never even get that maybe 5 months, that 6 months among his friends, among his teacher, because of the pandemic and no school was keeping. So you maybe have to be from home and things, people. And sadly and unfortunately, he passed his away, And I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family, of this young man. It's just sad, people, to all the students who is mourning, all the teachers, everyone on board who come together in support of this young man's health, in support of him beating cancer, in support of him when he beat cancer, and they show him the love, they show him the care, they show him the respect, and make him feel so comfortable and welcome back to school, people, after a 2 years absence. It's just amazing, but it's just sad, people, that he has gone, that he has passed. And I can tell the people just to imagine the mom, the father, if they are still alive, how they feel about this young man passing, because it's not nice, people, for any parents at all to lose someone, especially at a young age, at the age of 16, which I considered still young. I really feel it, people, and it's just sad. He put up a fight, he put up that battle, he set up that bar against this disease, but somewhere, somehow, by the devil's will, it find its way and it beat his way back into this young man's body. But I know now, the Almighty up above, people, have a place waiting for this young man, have a seat waiting, and in that kingdom that the Almighty have, people, there oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. It's gonna be so joyful. It's gonna be so welcome, overwhelmed, everything about it. So in the end, people, God has him covered, you know. And again, I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family of Cornel, Grant, and may his soul rest in peace. From me and NEWLINK Production and the whole team and my viewers and my subscribers, because you don't know, people, ain't me alone. Once I'm it's NEWLINK, it's all about the viewers and subscribers. We are pouring out our love, we are pouring out our support for Cornel Grant and his family, and to all the students of Calabar who are mourning, and teachers who are mourning the passing of this young man. May his soul rest in peace. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now. Yeah man, now, and hit that notification bell so as NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, again, Facebook, Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Peace, love, respect. Cornel Grant, rest in peace. Memories will always live on. Peace out.
Yet at the back, it's coming along the side.